we'll guide you through how to create a Dockerfile for Python. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, comment if you still need our help or want to ask something. Second, open your Python project directory and make sure the requirements.txt file is already there, since it contains the list of libraries your application needs before it can run properly. Next, create a brand new file in the main project folder and name it Dockerfile. Then open that file in your favorite code editor so you can begin writing the container configuration. Start by setting the base image to Python version 3.11 𝗟𝗪, which provides a lightweight environment for your application. After that, add the environment setting that disables Python bytecode file generation to keep the container cleaner, then enable unbuffered Python output so logs appear immediately in the terminal while the application is running. Continue by setting the working directory inside the container to the app folder so every following command runs from the correct location. Once that is done, copy only the requirements.txt file into the container first, allowing Docker to cache the dependency installation layer. Next, install all required Python packages without using the package cache to keep the final image smaller and more efficient. After the dependencies finish installing, copy the rest of your project files into the container so your complete application becomes available. Then expose port 8000 or whichever port your application uses, so the container can accept incoming connections. After that, define the startup command so Docker automatically launches your application by running Python with the main.py file whenever the container starts. Save the Docker file by pressing Ctrl and S, then open a terminal directly in the root folder of your project. Build the Docker image by giving it the name MyPythonApp, and finally run the container while mapping port 8000 on your computer to port 8000 inside the container so you can access the application from your browser or local network.